iron around. Just there is an 88, 89. I expect it to be aluminium. I do apologise for the wind. I try my hardest to shield. Yeah, just a bit of aluminium. Start the day off. Probably foil, 67. Oh no, 50p. What's that one? No, it's not a 50p. It is a 50. Cyprus. So a Cyprus coin. Sounds like something else is there as well. That's a 54. Right, it's in the scoop. And we've got another coin. 1 franc. There you go, 1 franc. 68, 69. Did I miss something? Sounds rough. Probably just a bit of foil. No, it's another foreign coin. Okay, and that is, Christ knows. Oh. Don't know. Oh, is that another Cyprus coin? Yeah, another Cyprus coin. 64. Generally, that would be a ring pull, but let's see how we go. And scoop. Another coin. Can we have a British one this time? No. We've got 5 pesetas. Okay, these are all clean. Every single coin come up really clean. Maybe the water doesn't come up this far. 5 pesetas. Have they all been planted here? Seems a bit weird. I've had francs, I've had Cypriot coins, and now a Spanish coin. All old ones. 81, 82. So I apologise if the wind's affecting the camera. I haven't got my proper mic with me today. Because I wasn't actually anticipating doing any metal detecting, but my wife wanted to come to the beach, so I obliged, as you do. What's this going to do? I would say at some stage that was probably, it's got some number in there, I would say that was probably a 20mm casing at some stage. the war. Certainly got some numbers there, so I would say that's probably the date, but yeah, that's going to be a 20mm casing. 52. Just a bit of copper. Yeah, just a bit of copper. That's an 82, 84. Could be a bit of aluminium. It's out. And a scoop. Just a bit of copper. Yeah, just a bit of copper. 76, 77. Bit of aluminium. Yeah, just a bit of aluminium. So 85, 86. Look. We've got a quid. Is it a £1 or a euro? Nah, it's going to be a euro, isn't it? Yeah, €1. So I'm on the foreign coins today only. 86 not moving. The last 86 was a euro. Out. Let's see what we got this time. Let's get the weed out. That. Let's have a look. No coins there, so is it that? No. What was it? Scoop out. Get the pointer out. Oh. Yeah, it'll be that. Oh dear. Actually, really. Good old ring pull. Sounds like it's probably aluminium. It's an 86. Sounds rough now it's out. dear, that's not good. Crossbow dart, or bolt rather. That's horrendous finding that down there. What the hell are they shooting? It's on the beach. 79.80. Another bit of copper. That's in the 90s. 92, 93. 92, 93. English penny. I think there's something else down there as well, so wander out. There's nothing else there. Another penny. 72, 73. Scoop. Is it a 20p? No, it's another foreign coin. Now what we got? Greek coin maybe? I've got a clue. Doing well on the foreign ones today. 74. The scoop. What we got this time? España, another Spanish coin. Yeah, another Spanish coin.